Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a first impressions on some products, which those are the only two products that I tried. I'm like real comfortable with these. Let me just say, this is a super adorable, cute package. I am definitely keeping this. Matches perfectly with the box.
When I got this on the mail, I swear I think I shit in my pants.
I was so excited when I opened this, and Sephora knows me so well, and they also sent me the shade that I was running out of. I don't know, maybe they saw my videos, and I think I mentioned in one of my vlogs or my videos that I was running out of my Ophalia.
I'm honored.
And I created this beautiful look. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and in order to stay tuned and see which shades I use, let's get straight into the video. I really want to swatch. Oh, I didn't see this color. It's so beautiful. I should try this color. Look at the pigmentation on these. Oh my god, I have to play with this color. Look at these swatches right here. These are so beautiful. I'm gonna use this small mirror because I figured that every single time I use a big mirror, I always show myself off camera, and I know it bothered you guys. I'm gonna go in with peach cream to set my whole eye. I'm gonna take peach sorbet and I'm gonna put it all around my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Peach Nude, and I'm gonna put that shade on the outer corner, and then I'm gonna blend it towards the inner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Fuzzy, and I'm gonna take a clean brush and apply it. Wait, no, I'm gonna go in with Sweet Fig. It's like a pretty purpley brownish color, and I'm gonna apply it on the outer part. I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm gonna go in with Peach Smoothie and put it on the inner corner. Now, with the same brush, I'm going to clean it a little, and I'm going to go in with the color on the grill and put it on the outer part only. I'm gonna take Peach Passion and I'm gonna put it on the lid. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Let me just say, this, I swatched it and it oxidized in my hand. I don't know if that's the right word, if I'm saying the right word, but instead of it being a nude color like this similar to this, it turned into a color like that, like red. It was red when I swatched it. It was turning red, and I was like, what the hell is going on? It was like an Oompa Loompa, basically. I'm gonna swatch it one more time. I'm gonna see if it does the same thing. I haven't swatched it ever since then. I can see it, like, I don't know, it turns into an orangey looking weird color. I don't know. I'm first gonna go in with my finger. So this definitely matches my skin better. You see what I'm talking about? It's a matte foundation. Obviously it has a little bit of a glow, but it feels matte. Okay, now I'm gonna mix in the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I've done this for a while. So the rest, we're kind of done. We put lashes, we baked off camera. I don't bake on camera anymore because, I don't know, I just feel like everyone knows how to bake, right? But if you do want me to do a separate video on how I specifically bake my face and make it look flawless like this right now, which is not completely flawless because we don't have a complete face finished, then let me know and I'll do a video. And I'm gonna go in with my under eye, and I'm gonna take Sweet Fig. Wow, I was gonna say pig. Sweet Fig. And put it under my eye. I have been pre-filming this whole time. Maybe today is March 7, but you might see this video on April. Who knows? The reason why I've been pre-filming, I explained it all on the video that I left from my Where Have I Been video. No one ever knows if they cut the internet or something and I don't have videos, or I can't film out of nowhere if something goes wrong in Puerto Rico. So I always like to have a plan B or a backup. And so far, that's what I've been doing. That's why I didn't do Valentine's Day tutorials, Valentine's makeup tutorials like that. I did make an excuse with the video that I did for the I tried following Jaclyn Hill. I literally filmed that the same week and I edited it in 2 days and I had it up the next day. It was crazy. That's the reason why I've been pre-filming so much and just filming and uploading. Also, maybe by the time you see this, I have painted my hair already. I'm planning to paint my hair. I'm gonna go in with the W7, the Cheeky Trio. This is a bronzer, blusher, and a highlighter, and I'm gonna take the bronzer angled brush. Be aware, it's a very pigmented blush, and I'm gonna go in with the Colorina Makeup Studio highlighter, HL05 it's called. This is She. Has nice highlighters. I'm gonna take this color right here. I didn't bring my matte fix plus, so I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu and I'm just gonna wet the brush and I'm gonna go back in. So this definitely lifted my, oh my god, don't mind my pore, but do you see how it lifted that highlighter? You see this going on right here? I didn't have that before I applied the highlighter. It lifted it so bad right now. Now in this one, it's just a tiny bit. Look at this. This is when you know it's brand new. I don't like to dirty that white part. This foundation, it didn't oxidize as I thought it would oxidize. As you guys can see, I don't look like an Oompa Loompa. I look normal and it matches really good on my skin. skin. Definitely a plus for this. I will be keeping this and still using it throughout the months. And also I will definitely use this. It's also amazing for traveling. If you want to travel with this product and just take it to the airport or something, it's small and it definitely does not take much space, and it has like everyday eyeshadow looks that you can create, and it has also really pretty crease shades for the transition, everything. It has a little bit of everything for setting the whole eye also. Yeah, without that further ado, I will see you guys on my next video, and subscribe for more videos, and also hit the notification bell. YouTube has been not putting, supposedly there are rumors that the subscription box has changed. Now it's not gonna be putting the videos on chronological order. Like if I uploaded an hour ago, it's not gonna appear like it was an hour ago. It's not gonna appear at all. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. So I suggest that you put the notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I upload a video. And also leave me in the comments down below if you guys are excited for the first impressions on the future. And yeah, stay tuned because there's a lot of things that I also want to try and that they're gonna send me. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.